B17 was built by Lockheed Vega, June 1945. Well, no service, active service in World War II. Do things many other aeroplanes just only dream of. Here's a few for you. Rate of roll, phenomenal. Rate of climb, phenomenal. Ladies and gentlemen, the electric arrows.
It's weird, isn't it?
Tall trainers of the Bellises. There are companies endeavouring to make 19-seat airliners and the like. So, they are.
Can't hear anything. That isn't because of the Eurofighter, by the way. Get down there.
You can hear the distinctive noise of a pair of Garrett T-76 turboprops, each 1,400